What we're doing today is making a very southern dish. We're making collards and cornbread. Surprisingly, this is also a very Indian dish.
Right, so this is collards and cornbreads the way our moms made.
So we're going to essentially start with getting some oil hot. So here's the trick. My mom always told me, wait till the oil is shimmering, because if you put your mustard seeds in and they don't pop, you're going to leave a little bitter aftertaste. I like to put my ginger in and my chilies in. The thing about mustard seed is not only is it flavoring the food, it's actually flavoring the oil first. Just a hit of turmeric. So the thing about turmeric is it's pretty hard to burn turmeric, whereas it's pretty easy to burn a lot of other powdered spices. So you can put turmeric into the oil early and not worry about it burning.
It's infusing itself and the flavor into the oil, so then it disperses a lot easier.
Now this stuff here is ginger garlic paste. And what it is equal parts of ginger and garlic ground together in a paste. Probably one of the building blocks of Indian cuisine, at least the way that I'm used to eating it.
One thing that we use that you maybe don't use a lot of is asafetida, which is the resin from a giant fennel plant.
I call this the fish sauce of India. One of the most laborious parts, Vish, for me about cooking is just the frying the onions. And really all this is diced onions, just cooked, but the trick is cooking to this golden consistency. And a lot of that flavor that you get in Indian cuisine comes from also the onions being deeply caramelized. I mean, these are already kind of cooked off, but I like getting salt into the process early and taste as I go. All right, so I'm gonna hit the masalas. A little cumin powder, coriander powder, and I'm gonna add just a little garam masala now, and then hit some more at the end. Let's do the tomatoes first. There we go.
You want a little water in there?
And let's get a little water in there too, good call.
And that sort of helps make a paste.
So in this particular instance, since we're going with a southern dish, we're gonna be putting collards into the mix.
I like to go ahead and blanch my collards a little bit, put a lid on it, let the steam build up.
So while this is steaming, let's go ahead and make the cornbread. So in India, we cook all kinds of flatbreads, rotis, on something called a tawa. But it's a round circular griddle. That's all really it is. So I've got some farm-inspired grits. I got some flour, and let's get a little oil or ghee on the griddle here to get the sucker hot.
And ghee is just super clarified butter.
I'm going 50-50. Okay.
All right, same it.
I'm gonna use this thing. Yeah, let's start there. You know what? I'm gonna get a little
more ghee.
Little ghee in there. You've got the all-purpose flour, the grits. I put a little bit of ghee in there. You could just put a little bit of oil and just a touch of water. All you're doing is making a simple dough.
And this is sort of like, think about it like tortilla dough, right? I mean, you're looking for similar consistency.
My mom always used to say andaz se.
Right.
Andaz se means just go by
Feel. By approximation.
By approximation. So the dough that we made, I went ahead and rolled them out into these small little balls. Just you want to make sure that they're not too soft, not too tight, not too wet. It's a feel thing. Somewhere aunt of mine in India is looking at this right now and laughing hysterically.
We're just not as good at doing it as
someone that's done this millions of times. When it comes off the griddle, that's the best time to eat it. You let it sit for even about 30 minutes, it turns into cardboard. Thank you, Vish. Your rolling looks a lot better than mine. And these are cooked pretty quickly. They don't take a whole lot of time. I'd say about 2 minutes about each side. You just want them to brown.
I like what those grits are doing texture-wise. I mean, that's pretty awesome.
That is really awesome. I mean, it's going to give a real nice, nutty, toothy flavor to this. I mean, guys, this is cornbread. This is looking amazing, Vish.
Heavy cream. I mean,
A little more salt.
A little squeeze of lemon in here.
Absolutely. That looks fantastic. A little fresh cilantro, beautiful. You want to see how it tastes?
Yeah, let's taste it.
And this is the best way to do it. Take the cornbread, pinch up a little piece. My mom would be really proud of what we just did here.